Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we're doing an unusual boxing. It was sent to me for review. So it came in a package like this. Not going to tell you what it is. I'm just going to let you see it because it is certainly odd for my channel. So it comes in a beautiful box. There you go. Actually, so I'm going to go ahead and tell you what it is now that I've shown you the box. It says, one of the best stainless steel tableware. Enjoy the romance. Delicious. So this is just a one-place setting. It actually comes in, you can buy a 20-piece place setting. And I'll leave that link down below. And I put this in backwards. So I'm going to pull it out. I have to take some pictures and post on social media too. So they sent me this placemat. And I think they do, if you buy the one piece, because you can buy a one-piece place setting, I guess for like if someone were to choose it for their registry or whatever, you could buy a one-piece place setting. It's plastic, but it's pretty, but it's plastic. The silverware, oh, let me get it. The silverware is gorgeous. It's rose gold. I don't know if that transfers on the camera. It dwarfs my near 30-year-old. This is my, I call it a soup spoon. They call theirs a dinner spoon. I'm going to slip it out. Theirs is a mirror finish. It's 1810 stainless steel. You know, you don't know what the 18 and the 10 means. The 10 is how much nickel it has in it. And the more nickel it has in it, the more it shines. And my eyes are too bad to tell you how much mine has in it. I don't know. Can't read it. Because I got this when I was, it might even, yeah, it's probably near 30 years. Mine might be over 30 years old because I got it when I was a teenager and put it in my hope chest. Anyway, it is very, it's heavyweight. The butter knife, it ain't a butter knife. It's a steak knife and it's actually sharp. You know, see that point? Can you see that it's sharpened? The point is sharpened. Look at there. And the serrated is actually, you could cut meat with it. I'm not going to cut meat with it on here, but you can cut meat with it. I mean, you just can. And then it comes with a regular teaspoon. Isn't that gorgeous? I'm serious. Makes me want a new set, and I've never wanted a new set. I've loved mine. I picked it out, like I said, when I was 18, and I might have been 17. But I wanted it then. I still love it now. But this kind of makes me want a new. And then I thought this was a relish fork. They call it a dessert fork. And certainly, last but not least, certainly, is the dinner fork. And all of them have, I don't know if you can see it, has the brand. And that's their little watermark or whatever you want to call this, their symbol. Every piece has it. And they, all of them have the 1810 on them. Can you see that? And then all of them have the stainless, I think that says stainless steel. Yeah, all of them have the stainless steel, and then they all have the brand in them. They're dishwasher safe. And they're called mirrored. You know, like where mine's not, it's etching all over. But these are called mirrored. They're high shine. And they do, they leave fingerprints now. I mean, when I take my pictures for my other social media and on Amazon. I'm going to have to polish them. But I love them. They're gorgeous. Absolutely. I wish they'd sent me the whole set. I seen a picture of them and I thought, yeah, that's going to be flimsy. It's rose gold, so it's just, whatever. They're not, it's just trendy. No, these are good. They're very, well, mine's little, but in comparison, mine's heavy for the size that it is. They're very good. So are these. These are like twice the weight. They're twice the size. Yeah. I like to just poke myself with this sharp knife. I had me a chicken breast. I could cut it up and show you guys. Because it is, that point sharpened. And those serrated edges are sharpened too. And it is called one of the best stainless steel tableware. Enjoy the romance and delicious. It's AMZ Soaring. And that is the store on Amazon. It is gorgeous. It's going in my drawer. I didn't want to use them before I did my review. And like I said, I wish they'd have sent me the 20-piece table setting because I think I would move out what I've enjoyed all these. I've been married, so 1986, 22 years, and not 86, Lord help me, 1996. I got married in 1996. I could do Cruella de Vil. A little powder up there. And anyway, yeah, gorgeous. These are gorgeous. And these were $11.36 for a table setting, but you could get the whole set they were affordable. So I guess these are I think these were like $39 for the 20-piece setting. It's so hard for me to say, I don't know why. The 20-piece setting. And I'll leave the link if anybody's interested. Because, shoot, these would make a great wedding gift, even if nobody had picked theirs out. A lot of young people don't pick out their stuff. Some do, but then some don't worry with it as much. Gorgeous. That's what I was fiddling with. And it comes in the 20-piece setting comes in a case that locks. Beautiful. It's beautiful. I would love it. Like I said, I wish they'd have sent me the 20-piece set. Anyway, this is it. I have some other videos coming up that's not, probably not my same. I'm kind of branching out just a little bit, trying to grow my channel a little bit more. Oh, am I bouncing? Can y'all see that? I'm so sorry. Yep. Anyway, so some different videos coming soon. I might put in, I'm trying to lose some weight. Have I succeeded? No. I've gained 4 pounds. Yes. What is wrong with me? I appreciate y'all coming to see me today, and I'll talk to you later. Bye-bye.